Hey guys, it's Carter here. I'm a young new YouTuber, part-time student, and full-time avid cyclist geek. I make video content almost daily covering a broad spectrum of bicycle news, lifestyle, and culture. From mountain biking to trail building, tech tips, news and reviews, and even vintage bikes. I'd love your kind sponsorship for the kind of content that I create, and I will gladly permanently slice in one of your short promo, pre-roll ads into my videos for just 30 bucks. Currently I have about 15,000 followers. I don't have much because I'm new, but I'm growing every day. Anyhow, I create totally fun content that's clean and family friendly, and I share it everywhere. Oh, and this ad campaign offer is specifically for me to splice one of your pre-roll ads into the beginning of one of my videos. This is not a testimonial or influencer ad campaign where I will actually be promoting the product. What else? Oh yeah. All sponsorships are welcomed except adult and political promos. Okay, that's it. I want to thank you for watching and helping me grow as a young creator. See you soon.